Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add truck details in job or shipment page in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After a successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective job or shipment. Now, the job page will be displayed on the screen. In this job page, we have to choose the container tab. Here, we have to click the edit icon. On this container consignment page, we have to enter the truck details. Then we have to click the Save Changes button. This is how to add truck details in job or shipment page in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.